Now, it's a massive Stalin versus Centre face-off over permission to hold Prime Minister's roadshow in Coimbatore. Madras High Court granted permission for the roadshow after the BJP made an appeal. The BJP has now slammed the DMK, calling its move shameful and disgusting.
It is Modi versus Stalin in Tamil Nadu. The Prime Minister, with his stated mission of winning 400 seats for the NDA, is on a campaign blitz in the state dominated by Dravidian politics. Modi on Friday lashed out at Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and DMK Chief M.K. Stalin at a rally in Kanyakumari.
Tamil Nadu में बीजेपी का प्रदर्शन इस बार डीएमके और कांग्रेस के इंडी अलायंस का सारा घमंड तोड़ करके रख देगा.
The Prime Minister's statement came just a day after Stalin's blistering attack on the Modi government.
தமிழ்நாட்டுக்கு எந்த நன்மையும் செய்யாத உங்களுக்கு தமிழ்நாட்டு மக்களின் ஓட்டு மட்டும் வேண்டும். இது என்ன நியாயம்? ஒட்டுமொத்த தமிழ்நாட்டு மக்களும் கேட்கிறாங்க, 10 ஆண்டுகள்ல என்ன சிறப்பு திட்டங்களை தமிழ்நாட்டுக்கு கொண்டு வந்தீங்க? பதில் சொல்லுங்க பிரதமர் அவர்களே. கேட்கிறாங்க, மக்கள் கேட்கிறாங்க, நாங்கள் கேட்கிற மக்கள் கேட்கிறாங்க. தமிழ்நாட்டை சீரழிச்சு அதிமுகவையும் தமிழ்நாட்டை கண்டுகொள்ளாத ஒன்றிய பாஜகவையும் மக்கள் நிராகரிக்க தயாராகிவிட்டார்கள். அதுதான் இந்த காட்சி, இந்த சாட்சி.
The face-off between Prime Minister Modi and Chief Minister Stalin escalated further when the state government denied permission for the Prime Minister's rally in Coimbatore, scheduled on March 18th. The administration cited security risks, communal history of Coimbatore, inconvenience for the general public as reasons for denying permission. The administration said that public exams are scheduled for March 18th and 19th and multiple schools are located along the proposed route for the roadshow. The BJP moved the Madras High Court seeking an urgent hearing. The court granted a go-ahead to Prime Minister's roadshow in Coimbatore.
The conditions they have cited for the rejection are absolutely childish and frivolous. Within 6 hours when we approached the High Court has given us a positive order that the roadshow has to happen. It has directed the police to give permission. It only shows the autocratic nature of DMK government, where they want to strangle all the voices, not allow people to see even their own Prime Minister. In a democracy, it's a very sacred bond.
The Stalin government has been taking on the centre over a host of issues. Most recently, Chief Minister Stalin declared that his government won't allow implementation of CAA in the state. With Lok Sabha elections approaching, the face-off is set to escalate. With Shilpa Nair in Chennai, Bureau Report, India Today.